Hello and welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into the world of Halloween decor with the best sugar skull ribbon available in the market. Introducing the Threetols 2 rolls 10 yards Halloween wired edge ribbons in a beautiful black and orange sugar skull flower design. This Halloween ribbon set includes 2 rolls, each measuring 2.5 inches in width and 5 yards in length, giving you a total of 10 yards of wired edge ribbon. Made of burlap, this ribbon is soft, durable, and perfect for shaping into various styles for your DIY craft projects. The Threetols ribbon is suitable for a wide range of applications, from gift wrapping to decorating holiday ornaments, wreaths, scrapbooks, and more. The vibrant black and orange colors are perfect for Halloween and Day of the Dead celebrations. With good flexibility, you can easily trim or divide this ribbon to create different shapes and lengths according to your preference. Let your imagination run wild as you adorn your crafts and ornaments with this unique and festive ribbon. In conclusion, the Threetols 2 rolls 10 yards Halloween wired edge ribbons are a must-have for your Halloween and Day of the Dead party decor. Add a touch of Mexican Dia de los Muertos style to your crafts and create memorable decorations for your family and friends. Don't miss out on this fantastic ribbon set for all your DIY projects. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more product reviews on Product Critique.